Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the paper strips, fold it and paste it like this using different colors. Now we'll be making the body of the peacock, make the grasses and decorate its feather, and your peacock is ready. I hope you liked it. Next we'll be taking the leaves and paste it on the white sheet. Cut the extra part. Now take a paper, tear it and make the mountains by dabbing it like this and make a sun on the top, make some birds and it's done. Next we'll be making these dancing rain boys, or you can say small children dancing on the rain. So take the balloons, fold it like this, paste them. Now take the clay and make the balls and fix it to make their faces like this. So they are wearing the raincoats, that's why we have used balloons. Now make their hands and legs, make their boots like this, make some clouds and of course the raindrops like this, and your painting is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking the white sheet and the leaves like this, paste them. Now after pasting the leaves on the sides, cut the extra part. Now take a red color leaf and cut it like this and paste it to make the fishes like this, and it's ready. Next we'll be taking a black paper and then paste the leaves over it like this. Paste the leaves carefully with the glue gun like this. Now after pasting it one by one, we'll be putting some leaves in the same manner. Now on the top of the leaf, apply the glue like this and paste a cutting out of a peacock. Now decorate its feathers with the red leaves like this, make its eyes, crown and legs like this, and it's ready. Next we'll be making a rainbow, so you have to paste colorful papers like this to make the feathers of a cock. Now we have to make its body, make its eyes, crown and beak, draw its legs like this and paste some empty peanut shells like this to make their checks, and it's done. Next take a egg tray and cut it like this. Now after that you have to cut it in these shapes as shown in the video and give the shape of a flower like this. So after cutting it, give the shape of the petals like this and then color it with different colors of your choice. You can put a yellow color clay in the between like this, put the darker shades in the between. Now after that put the clay like this. Now make some dots over it. Now make few more as such as shown in the video and then make the stems and leaves like this. Now after drawing with the green marker, draw the leaves as shown in the video, and it's ready. Next we'll be taking a blue color paper like this, fold it and paste it. Now after that draw the stems and leaves of flowers with the green marker like this. Draw the lines. Now take the pink color paper, tear it and then crumple it like this and make small balls and paste them. You can use different colors of your choice like this, and your bouquet is ready. Next take a orange and then peel it like this from the between. Now remove the orange and take its peel. Now you have to paste it like this and make the eyes of the crab, make its legs and make few more as such near them. Paste some leaves like this and it's done. Next take a tissue paper, fold it like this and then you have to cut it like this in the oval shape. Now put the colors like this. Now after that put some dots and color it. Put it in the between like this and then make few more as such, fold it, paste it with the help of a double-sided tape and then spread it little bit like this. Now after that you will get a flower like this. You can paste it one by one over the sheets and draw some stems and leaves with a green marker, and your flowers are ready. Next take the shells like this and then color them as per your choice. You can put some different patterns, draw the lines like this, make the butterflies out of it like this. So make the feathers of the butterfly, color it, give your creativity out over this shell, and then you have to make some patterns, dots and anything you want to put over it like this, and your butterflies are ready. You can make few more as such using different colors, and it's done. Don't forget to make their antennas, and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.